Jeep Commander 2008. Whenever I wanted to start the vehicle, it would just click. Sometimes will start, most of the time it won't start. I have to wait and then start all of the sudden. Well, basically what happened is the previous owner, he went to a place where they install alarms, and the guys who install alarms in there, they don't know what they're doing. They're just getting random wiring from anywhere to connect the alarm, and they don't care what's gonna happen in the future. So this is the alarm in here, this wire, and that push button in there. So that one, I'm gonna get rid of it. Basically what happened is the alarm guy, he uses power off this relay, and he used this ground over here to hook this relay into this stupid Mickey Mouse he did, which is this one. And also he routed this little power wire to this horn relay over here, which is this one right here. He run a wire all the way through here, and then he smashed the wire, which is this one, to get power off here. This tiny little wire, which creates a lot of resistance. He used more than 5 bot connectors and connections. So those connections, what happen is if you have a lot of bad connectors and plugs, you're gonna create resistance. When you create resistance, you create heat. Heat causes melting. If you guys can see clearly, it was starting to melt. This is part of the alarm system he installed. And most of the guys wonder why my car catches on fire. Well, it catches on fire because you take it to dumbasses or stupid people who don't know what they're doing. So if you're gonna install an alarm, radio, or any device into your vehicle, you better know that guy or trust him. Because if you don't know that guy and you take it to a random place, he's gonna ruin your vehicle. It might work for years, but in the future, you're gonna have these problems. So basically what I had to do is eliminate this, the alarm, it's trash, and just connect it the way it came from the factory or from the dealer, which was this way over here. I'm gonna connect this wire over here. As soon as I connect this one, my vehicle should start right away. So this is the way it came from the dealer. So now I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna start my vehicle. Voila, problem fixed. Any comments, any questions, let me know. I'll help you guys with any issues you guys have.